Better get that paper. Them laws is coming for your ass. I get it fast. The motivation is the cash. If you ain't hustling, huh? If you ain't hustling, if you ain't hustling, huh? Step on the block in my all black tee. If you ain't hustling, get the fuck away from me. Even if you is, you ain't getting shit from me. You never know, you might be the police. I'm on the chase, so stay the hell up out my face. If you ain't know, I keep a thing on my waist. Don't get it twisted, you ain't even safe in your house. Kick in the door and put that burl in your mouth. I need it all, and I'ma get it at all costs. Started at the bottom and paid the price to be the boss. Now I'm at the top, and it ain't no looking back. I might be laying tracks, but I still got that sack. Grew up in the streets, got a scholarship to the pen, and if I get knocked, I just do it all again. If you ain't hustling, huh, you might be a little confused, but if you a dope boy, then you know what to do. Go pick up the blow, work your magic in the kitchen. Start out with a O. In a week you got a chicken. Better watch your back, them haters is out to get you. But if you a real hustler, then you know how to fix them.